In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your EPP code on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on GoDaddy website. So, as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to get our APP code, which is actually the auth code or the authentication code for your domain. So, of course, you can go through a lot of steps to get into your domain portfolio, or you can just go and open a new tab, type dccgodaddy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you to the domain portfolio directly. Now you will have to select the specific domain that you will be transferring to access the domain settings page. And of course, just by the way, if your domain has domain protection, you will need to verify your identity. If it don't like me, you will not even need this EPP. So of course, if it had that protection, if you had like two steps verification or two SV turned on for at least 24 hours, enter the code they sent you via an SMS, or just enter the code from your authenticator app. Otherwise, you will have just enter the one-time password they sent to you to your registered email address. Then, of course, you'll have to copy that code and just get it to the administrative email address on your domain name, and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.